Hi, it's Mark, your car guy from Buds Imported Cars. Today I'm going to show you how to use a jump seat in a Defender 90. Just walking up to the Defender 90. Apologize in advance, I don't have my tripod with me. Here is your jump seat right there. Bottom right hand corner is a little pull strap. What you do is, if you give this a good firm pull, sorry about the shaking there, drop the jump seat down. There's your two cup holders, little pad. Optional Defenders will have the power outlets in the back. When you get a jump seat, you automatically get the clear sight camera, which will help not obstruct your view. For example, if we go to traditional mirror, you can see out. But the second I put the jump seat back up, it obstructs the view, and then clear sight turns on, which allows you to see behind you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, drop a direct message and happy to help out.